Hello and welcome to the Instagram Growth System. My name's Chris and I'll be taking you through this bit by bit. And it's how to turn your content into followers and your followers into paying leads. So my name is Chris Rowan. I am the founder and CEO of Goso.io, the longest lasting Instagram growth company out there. I've got 8 years of experience building Instagram accounts for all different types of businesses, small, large, and medium as well. You can check me out on Instagram here. So let's dive in and I'll show you what you're going to be seeing and learning in this course. So first of all, please give this a read. If you need to pause it, then pause it. It'll just give you an understanding of a little bit more about myself and also how to do the course. So one big thing, please, do not binge this course, okay? There's a lot of information inside. Do module per module. And as you go along, put into practice at the end of each module what I've taught. And then at the end of 7 days, 30 days, however long it takes you, you'll have all the information. And if you follow exactly what I tell you, I guarantee that you will grow as well. So these are my guarantees as well. I can't guarantee that you're going to make loads of sales. I can't guarantee you're going to get to 1 million followers. But what I can guarantee, if you follow exactly what I tell you, you will grow a real targeted audience on Instagram that eventually you'll be able to make money from as well. So how to use the course? As I mentioned, don't binge it. Please do module per module, write a few things down, put it into practice. Repetition is what's going to teach you here. After each module, pick one action and do that the same day. Keep your Instagram insights open. Now, if you take anything away from this course, is Instagram insights and metrics are the key to success. You're working with an algorithm, right? And an algorithm is numbers, it's code. So it doesn't care about your ego. It doesn't care about your personal feelings. What it cares about is pushing the best content that helps the platform. So by checking your Instagram insights on every single post and also your profile, you're going to get there to success. So make sure that this is the main thing that you really want to be checking all the time. When something works, repeat it and then give it more volume. If you're mining for gold, you're not going to hit gold and then walk a kilometer down the road and then start digging again. Once you hit gold, you're going to keep on digging and digging and digging. And this is exactly what I mean by repeat it once you realize what is working. If you want to go faster, we do have Goso services for engagement. If you want to rank on the explore page more, follower growth as well. If you want to build a target audience in a specific area, this works fantastic in country, location, target audience, whatever you need. We will go into this later on, but what I want you to do first is learn the course, learn everything that I'm going to teach you, and then by implementing these two services together or separately into your strategy, you will grow much faster and make a lot more money as well. So I've split these modules down, module 1 to 8. Each one has absolute diamonds in it. And as I said, if you follow all of the stuff that I teach you here, it doesn't matter if you're just starting out, if you've already got to 50K and you've stagnated, you need a little bit of help. This does work for all profiles. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump off. I'll see you on module 1 and let's get started.